Hey guys, JR here, Falconer Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about ground straps, 3/4 inch ground straps. This is our standard 24-inch ground strap. These come standard on our website with quarter inch rings. You can get them with quarter inch, half-inch rings, or you can get these with half-inch rings. Now, if you need another size, we do have a quote builder on our website. You can custom design any ground strap you need, any length, change the ends, heat shrink, whatever you need. Everything's been dipped and tinned, so nothing's going to corrode. We make these here at Falconer Electronics, Falconer, New York. So if you're looking for a good quality ground strap, Falconer Electronics.